The purpose of this video is to provide some tips for the description and comment columns on a project task list. As you can see, I have the description text-only column and the last comment text-only column visible. If I want to enter in a description and a last comment on the inline edit, what I can do is if I double-click on the task, and now it's in inline edit mode, as you can see on the text-only description column, I can't actually enter in or click within the cell here. What I'll have to do is click on this little caret right here to edit the description, which will pop up this modal for me to enter in the description. From there I can either save the task or I can just click OK and continue editing it. I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Now that description is included. If it's a comment, I can go ahead and click on the task. I don't even have to go inline edit. I can just click on that column cell, and now I can include a new comment and even include an @ mention. I can hit OK, or I can just go ahead and save the task. Now if I want to change up the description, so when I'm inline editing, I can actually edit it. What I'll want to do is go up to the display options, switch out the description text only for description. Now with this description, rather than description text only, if I inline edit it, I can actually edit description from this right here, which will pop up that description modal right here, so I can go ahead and do the same thing. Let's save. And that's just a brief overview of using the description columns and the comments here in the task list of Project Insight.